flip specialist who's at one of his flip properties in Oshawa. Can you tell me like the layout of this house? Like how many bedroom, how many bathroom? What are we looking at? Because we're just in the top floor right now.
Yeah, so this is a, I guess you call it a bungalow with an addition up top. So it's kind of like a story and a half. This one here's a 3-bed, 2-bath on the, or sorry, 3-bed, 1-bath on the main that we're putting a basement apartment into down bottom. Down bottom, I'll show you guys that in a little bit. It's going to be a 2-bed, 1-bath down there. So what you see behind us, we got the living space. We took some walls out to make it more open concept. We also rebuilt a closet over here on our left so that they have some space. It's not good enough just to have a rental property. It actually has to function for someone. In this case, closet space, very important. In behind us here, we're actually able to save some of the finishes. We're able to save the countertops and the kitchen cabinets. And unfortunately, we couldn't save the appliances, so we will be switching out to stainless. But again, to push up those resale values, something that's really important is the emotion tied behind it, what a buyer feels and thinks when they come through the property. In this case, some cool, nice cool stainless appliances will help do that. As we progress through here, you'll see all of the same finishes that we were talking about in a previous video. All the same floors, same paint color, same trim, all very consistent. Right? We try to keep with modern colors, neutral stuff, so that when we come in and stage, that's where we can add our flavor. In this particular property, because we're 2 units, wherever possible, I like to add a second hydro meter. So over on this side, we've got all brand new hydro panel here. And lots of space on that side as well. I would say this room's maybe 10 by 10, 10 by 12, something like that. Okay. Down the hallway here, we had to take some walls out. It was a bit of a cumbersome layout based on when they did the top-up renovation, years ago. So in saying that, we had to make it function and flow better. So we added a closet here for some extra storage. And then here is stackable laundry.
Aha! Surprise! I was going to ask that.
Yeah.
Do you ever take a closet and turn it into the stackable laundry? Sometimes. And you did it. See? At first I was thinking that's great. You can make that an office.
Exactly.
Stick someone in there and put them to work.
Over here in the bathroom, we have the bathroom. Again, all standard finishes. We use a lot of the same stuff in every property. Tile shower, hex floors. We trimmed out the mirror to make it look nice. It doesn't take that much more effort to make something look nice versus to make it look cheap. So might as well go ahead and put in an extra little bit.
I like the luxury finishes in there. It really looks like a high-end work. So what's going on here? This is like a huge amount of space.
So I think at one time, this actually was a bedroom before they put the staircase going upstairs. And there was no addition on the back. So when they had this really awkward wall layout, we said, okay, let's do something with it. Let's make it functional. So this is not only the pass-through here, but we've also put a plug in the wall if somebody wanted to use it as a desk area.
Yeah, this would be a perfect office nook. Are you marketing this for an end user who will live on the top floor, or is this more for an investor who would rent out this?
I do the same renovations for both either way, right? So whether we end up keeping the property or the property goes back on the market, I renovate the exact same because you want to give somebody else a good product, and if we end up keeping it, I want to give myself a good product too.
Right.
So again, that's a contingency factor, not just on finishes, but you wouldn't want to keep it yourself. Why would you want to sell it off to somebody else?
Exactly, because you always want to attract a good tenant.
You do.
And they appreciate good flow. They appreciate nice ceiling heights, lots of light.
Yeah, we got 8 feet here.
This is huge. This is fantastic. And this room could be either an extra rec room or another bedroom.
Yeah.
And what's this door here? This could be even a separate, you could even actually probably do this almost as an Airbnb room.
I don't know, what would your Airbnb back there?
I don't know. Maybe they just, people come and they just do their thing, shared bathroom.
This could be an office too,
actually.
Because you got the exterior door.
Excellent, excellent. They have this separate entrance right here. Yeah, you can have clients here.
There you go.
So if you ever decide to open up like a massage,
chiropractor table.
Chiropractor table. Excellent. Perfect. We're getting creative here. Yeah. So what's around the corner there in the new addition? Show us there.
Follow us upstairs.
more record of our office space.
Yeah.
So what do you see this being used as?
I think it's gonna be the master. I really do. I think we'll have 2 bedrooms downstairs and then a master up here. And whether they use one side for the bed and one side for a master closet, or one side for a playroom and one side for, like, it just depends on what the user wants. But I really think it's gonna be the master bedroom.
And where would the bathroom be then?
Bathroom and the main floor.
Oh, okay. Excellent. The ceiling's got a little lower here, but you still have that unique.
It's got that lofty vibe.
Yes. Lofty vibes are great.
Sure.
Excellent, excellent. And I guess in the next episode, you're going to go and show us the legal basement suite.
Let's do that.
Very